Oh.
In postmodern culture, I think we are living in cars and houses. Through lenses of contemporary media and so on, society has lost contact with the outside world. Perhaps, in a not too distant future, humanity, if it could still so called, will be existing without nature, almost without reality. Every atomic particle will ultimately be pressed into service for our databank, until there is nothing in the universe but information. Nowadays, with so much of its surface in wreckage and filth, it is the earth that faces us with moral demands. The spiritual merges once again with the natural, from which disastrously it has been separated for some centuries. I get such joy out of being out exploring this landscape and being alone in it, out in the bogs or up in the hills or on the shore. I feel it's a terrible shame that very, very few people are enjoying that. It seemed to me necessary to go everywhere and see everything before I had the right to represent anything on my drawing. While walking this land, I am the pen on the paper. While drawing this map, my pen is myself walking the land. With an island, it is as if the surrounding ocean, like a magnifying glass, directs an intensified vision onto the narrow field of view. A little piece is cut out of the world, marked off in fact by its insignificances. So an island appears to be mappable, already a little abstracted from reality, already half concept. It holds out the delusion of a comprehensible totality. Going here and there in thought through the pandemonium, only the most analytical listening can disengage its elements. Without the occasional renewal of memory and regular rehearsal of meaning, place itself flounders into shapelessness, and time, the great amnesiac, forgets all. Connemara's simultaneous and mutually contradictory weathers will still stride across the landscape. Gesticulating like shepherds after trespassing sheep, the moody Atlantic light will still present the 12 bends as a succession of instants, each worthy of eternity. What makes the matter of Connemara of passionate importance to the world is finally its beauty. Everyone, not just the artists and ecologists, must bow to the transcendent value of Connemara, if only as a refuge from a noisy, messy stage of civilization. Where do we turn to find a way of looking at the land, inhabiting it and loving it, other than that of ownership? Could psychedelics not only aid ourselves, but the world in which we live? Through psychedelics, one frequently gains a much heightened appreciation of the worth of nature and the beauty and value of her creations. Even one such experience can make a person more conscious and concerned with the ecology of our planet. So I say, psychedelics should once again be taken seriously as an intellectual and aesthetical instruments that can help us understand not only what consciousness is, but what we humans really are and what we can become in our relation to the wonder that is nature.